Hello, you're here with Chester. Today we will be making a rack and pinion system. You can find all the printed parts on our website, as well as buying the 3D filament on our website, which you can see at the bottom of the screen. Okay, let's go through what we will need. First of all, we will need two 10 spanners. That will be the tools. Then the actual parts that you will need two 6mm nuts. You will need a 50mm 6mm rod. You'll need the gear. It's a 15-tooth gear. The actual rack, the pinion, the rack, and then the rack casting. So I'm going to use one of the nuts with the bolt. I'm going to attach that to the casting, and then we'll just screw it in like that, just into the end. Then the next step is you add the rack. Then you take the gear, you place the gear on top of the rack, and then screw the bolt further in, just to the end of the gear. If you can see, just like that. Okay, next we will need to attach the final nut. We'll use a spanner for this. It's a little bit complicated to get right, but let's see if we can do this. And just try and screw that into place like such. There we go. Okay, so once we've got that in place, we'll just screw the bolt all the way through. But we don't really need to go all the way through, but there we go. Now the final step is we need to lock these two nuts onto the gear. So we'll use both the spanners for this. And let's just get that nice and tight. There we go, and then lock them onto the gear. Once they're locked into place, then you have a rack and pinion system. There we go. You can find all the 3D printed parts on the website, as well as the filament, and the website should be at the bottom of your screen.